Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your business with Stripe step by step clearly. Start by creating a Stripe account at stripe.com. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your newly created Stripe account. Complete the account setup by providing your business details. Input your business name, address, and type of business entity. Add the necessary banking information for payouts. Ensure you enter your tax identification information accurately. Now, let's set up your payment methods. Navigate to the Payments section in your Stripe dashboard. Choose the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards and digital wallets. Enable the selected payment methods by following the prompts. If you plan to integrate Stripe with your website, head to the Developers section. Here, you'll find API keys needed for integration. Use the publishable and secret keys in your website backend. If you're using a specific platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, check for integration plugins. Install your preferred plugin or code the integration manually based on documentation provided. Test your integration by making a small transaction. Ensure that the transaction processes smoothly and you receive the funds in your Stripe account. Once testing is successful, start promoting your business. Monitor your Stripe dashboard for sales and transaction insights. Adjust your payment options based on customer feedback and trends. Stay updated with Stripe's features and tools for continuous improvements. That concludes the steps to deploy your business with Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.